Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Bhai Programming Jobs. I am Surya. This video is regarding ML intern at Tower Research Capital and Cunewave hiring software engineers for BE, Btech, CSIT students. So let's discuss first ML interns at Tower Research Capital. The job location is Gurgaon. They're hiring for interns only, and the responsibilities are developing data pipelines for cleaning, collecting, processing. Qualifications are a bachelor, master or PhD degree, and this is in office summer internship. It will start from May 2025, and benefits are competitive stipends, means this much might be varied from 15,000 to 25,000, and they are offering breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks on a daily basis, which is a good one. And also the best day facility, they are providing cab facility within the Gurgaon, so it is very good for the person who lived near to Gurgaon and Delhi. So how to apply this, I will give this link in my video descriptions. You can go there and fill this form. Okay, and next is our Uniwave software company, which is hiring freshers for software engineer roles. So who can apply? A CSR IT guy who did undergraduation in BU BTech and 23-24 pass out only with 60% criteria are the eligible for this. Pune is the job location, and package must vary from 3.5 to 4.5 LPA. The skills which required for this job is Java, Python, .NET, SQL, Node.js, and if you are fulfilling all the conditions which is required for the job, you can share your CV at this mail ID naresh@unijobsolutions.com. And that's all for today guys. Thank you, and do subscribe my channel and must visit my Telegram channel. Something big is waiting for you in the future also. Thank you guys, bye bye.